Hi everyone. We're going to take a quick look at how to do inference about two means with the dependent sample. So paired differences. We're going to go ahead and get into RGuroo and then import your data if you need to. But once you've got your data in, we can go ahead and click this little drop down for analysis and go to mean inference because we're working with the mean here. And then choose 1 and 2 population. I made a little data set called hit data, which has got a number of hits by batters before they attended a camp and after they attended a camp. This is paired data, which is the problem we're working on right now. So we check that paired box, and then we're going to go to this population 1-2 tab. So we would like to see confidence intervals. So what we're going to do is put a 0.95 for our confidence level here. You can adjust this as needed for the problem you're working on. And then we'll do method is t statistic. The next thing we're going to do is go to this test of hypothesis tab. And so we are testing whether or not there's a difference in hits before or after somebody attends this camp. So our alternative hypothesis then will be that there is a difference that is not equal to 0. We're going to go ahead and change to t-statistic here and click preview. So at the top here you get a data summary which has the variable hits after camp, and then it's calculated this hits minus hits after camp variable for us and gives us the mean and standard deviation there. We also get our t-based confidence interval. Remember we put that 0.95. If we needed to or wanted to, you can change that and see what that does to the upper and lower values here. And then below this we have our test of the hypothesis. So our alternative hypothesis is that the mean of this difference is not equal to 0. Looking down at our test here, we have our observed t-stat, which is negative 2.87546, and then we've got our lower critical value of t, which is negative 2.04523, and our upper, which is 2.04523. So how do we make a decision here? We look at this observed t-stat and we compare it to the lower and upper critical values. And here we'll see that this stat is lower than the lower critical. So we can say, yes, there is a difference that is not equal to 0. Our test is significant at the 5% level. We've got this nice low p-value. And then we can go down here and look at the paired t-test as a p-value graph, so you can see where our observed difference of sample means is with the p-value. And then you can see in the t-distribution scale another graphic that shows our observed t-stat plotted on a graph.